it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I have a beauty empties for you all. I will link my last one down below if you missed it, but basically I am just going to show you about 10 different beauty items that I have finished up, and I will let you know if I like it, if I disliked it, if I'll repurchase it, and etc. So I'll try to link everything down below in the description box. But yeah, I don't want to make this intro too long. I just want to jump into it, share what I've been using up, and that'll be the end of this video. So yeah, just keep watching if you're interested. Okay, so starting off with the Bath & Body Works Rose Water and Ivy candle. This is what it looks like. This has notes of soft rose petals, English ivy, and lemon blossom, but honestly, all I smell is the rose. It literally smells like a nice, just clean, fresh rose water, and I love rose, so I loved this. Yeah, I didn't pick up any ivy, any lemon blossom. I definitely would have loved to smell more lemon blossom because I love lemon, but this is a good one, and I did already repurchase another one. So yeah, if you like rose candles, you'll love this. Okay, so next is this Victoria's Secret Lavender and Vanilla Moisturizing Hand Cream with Shea Butter. Now, I typically get like these smaller body creams and lotions for travel purposes. I just find it super easy for, bringing my smell goods and things I like in the smaller little packages. So yeah, I have this in the full size. I have the body mist, I have the full size lotion, I think a body scrub. This smells so good. It's literally like the best lavender and vanilla I've personally smelled. It's the perfect blend, and it just smells super clean, fresh, soft, pretty. Honestly, it kind of gives me like baby vibes. Not so much what are those baby products? It doesn't give me Johnson's baby anything, but I don't know, when I think of this, I just think of like a baby, like soft and just smells good. So yeah, this one I'm not going to repurchase at the moment, but I do highly recommend this collection. All right, so I actually used up two of these. These are the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Hold. So I feel like I literally go through these in like one hairstyle, whether it's braids or whatever. But yeah, these I would not repurchase, you guys, because I've seen a lot of people use different Shine and Jams, because there are several different ones, for different protective styles, and they seem to just love it. But I just find that these don't work the best, especially on like blow dried hair, because it starts to curl the hair up, and I feel like it just basically defeats the point of you blow drying and stretching. So yeah, it does like stick. It does make it sticky so that like your hair won't, it'll blend and stick with the braiding hair or whatever you're doing. But I find that it's, again, just starts to curl up the hair, which makes the style not last as long because you have all these curly pieces sticking out of your braid. So yeah, if you guys know of a better, I don't know, edge control, edge gel, braiding gel for doing those type of protective styles, please let me know, because Shine and Jam just is not cutting it. Now next is the Among the Clouds shower gel from Bath & Body Works. This packaging is so pretty, you guys. It has like some sparkles, clouds. I love the purple pinkish, but I honestly only got this because I had to get like a free item and the store was closing. I already have basically everything in Bath and Body Works, so I just did not know what to get, and the associate just kept telling me like, oh my god, Among the Clouds is so good, you need to get it. So I got it. Long story short, the notes are wild berry skies and whipped vanilla clouds, which I love berries, I love vanilla, but the berries in this are like too tart, and it's like tarts, maybe like sour, I don't know, which kind of throws me off. So It was okay. It's not my favorite scent, but yeah, I would not repurchase this because it's too tart for me. But I do love Bath and Body Works. Now next, y'all, I'm so embarrassed that I still have this. This is the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Peppermint Pure Castor Soap. So, this is the same bottle from the video I posted years and years ago, probably in like 2019, where I used this on my hair and my body. So I'll link that video down below if I can remember. But yeah, after that video, which this, did it dry my hair out? I know it dried my skin out really bad. I don't know about my hair, I can't remember. But I just kept this underneath my cabinet and it was collecting dust. And so I was like, you know what? I need to use this up. So I just started using this for cleaning around my house, like the toilets and the counters and things like that. And it did a good job at that. Now, I wouldn't repurchase this for like body or hair, but I guess for like cleaning around the house, I could see myself repurchasing this. But I'm not gonna lie, when it comes to my cleaning supplies and stuff, it's not like a thing where I'm like, oh my god, this is my favorite countertop cleaner. Oh my god, this is my favorite toilet cleaner. I kind of just grab something and that's it, because I don't know. So I don't know. This is just, it got the job done, basically. Now, this little one is from the Wooden Wick Co. It's the Prosecco and Pink Raspberries, like, fragrance oil. I have a diffuser in my bedroom that I use every single day, and I kind of got tired of your generic like lavender oil, peppermint oil, things like that. So I picked some of these little ones up, and this one is really good. It's Prosecco, so it has like this bubbliness, and then it's raspberries, which I love berries. So this smells really good. If you have a diffuser and you want like different fragrance oils, I would say go to the website. They have a huge selection, and I don't think they were too expensive either. Now next is the Bath and Body Works. Y'all, probably in like all these videos is going to be a lot of Bath and Body Works. I'm sorry. I'm trying to like downsize all of the crap that I have. But this is the Black Raspberry Vanilla Shea Butter Hand Cream. I love me a good hand cream. Gotta keep it in the car. Gotta keep it in my purse. I just gotta keep lotion for my hands because I hate dry hands. I just don't like the look of it. I don't like the feel of it. But this one, I don't know if the scent is sold in stores anymore, but it's definitely not my favorites. I think I kind of just got this because it looked nice. I thought I would like it, but the black raspberry is like a bit too deep of a berry. It's kind of like syrupy, and I hate those type of darker berry scents. So at least I'm now realizing that. So yeah, this I would not repurchase just for the scent. Now, another product I used up is the Dr. Teals Pink Himalayan Salt Scrub, and this is the Restore and Replenish, and it has Epsom salt and essential oils. And y'all, this smells so good. I have always loved the smell of salt. I don't know why. It just smells so good. So yeah, this smells exactly like pink Himalayan salt. It's salty, it's fresh, it's clean. The only reason why I would not repurchase this, unfortunately, is as soon as like you put this on your skin, it immediately melts. The only way I can get any type of exfoliation with this is if like I stand away from the running water in the shower. But even then, it still just does not give me much at all, of any type of exfoliation, which I love an exfoliating scrub. Like, I like that harshness. I like to feel like it's getting some stuff off. So that's the only reason. Now next is the Tutti Frutti Candy Lotion or Body Cream, from Bath and Body Works. So, yeah, I shared this with my daughter and like she completely, I don't know what she did to this container, but it looks weird. But anyways, this smells so good. I have the body mist, I have the body, shower gel. It smells so good. The notes are sweet jelly beans, mixed berries, and sugar lemon. And y'all, it smells just like jelly beans. It's super sugary, it's super sweet. You do get the sugared lemon, you do get the berries. Like, now I've never imagined myself smelling like jelly beans. At first when this came out, I was like, jelly, what? What do they mean? But once I smelled it, I was like, oh my god, this is so good. So yeah, I don't know if this is sold in store. It might be online now, but this is one of my favorite scents from them. And then just coupled with the fact that I love their body creams and their body butters, they're super moisturizing. So yeah, this would definitely be a repurchase. Now, another product that I used up is the Rose and I believe Lychee candle from Bath and Body Works, and this has notes of wild rose, sugared lychee, and delicate raspberries. Now for me, I get a mix of the rose and raspberries, which I love both those notes, but there's just something very sharp that I do not like, and I feel like it's the lychee. I don't know what that is or what that smells like, but I have to assume that's what it is because it cannot be the rose or the raspberries. But yeah, I think this smells a little bit better when it's actually being like lit. So when I just smell it on its own, when it's not lit, it smells harsh. It does not smell good. But I think it does soften a little bit once it's lit and it's in the air and it's not as bad. But I just use this up just to use it up. It's not my favorite. I would not repurchase it. And then last but not least, I have two lilac products. So this is the Fresh Cut Lilacs Pocket Back hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works, and I let my daughter actually finish and use this up. But yeah, this smells okay. It wasn't my favorite. I thought I would like the Fresh Cut Lilacs because I do like florals, but this is just a little bit too floral, like literally. So yeah, I wouldn't repurchase this scent. And then last but not least, I have the Febreeze Lilac Air Freshener, and this one was actually really good. It's not like as harsh and in your face as other lilac products such as this. It's a little bit lighter, but it's still nice, clean, fresh, floral. I did enjoy this. It does say limited edition, so I'm gonna have to see if they have any more of this, but I did like this. So yeah, guys, that is the end of this Empties. Let me know if you guys have used anything in this video, if you liked it, you disliked it, and of course, as always, comment down below what your current favorite products are or that you're currently using up. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will have hair details up if they're not up already because I know somebody's going to ask. But yeah, I will see you guys in another video.